morning. How can I help you?
Yes. Good morning. My name is Patrick. I'm with a company called... So we manufacture coated safety work gloves. I was trying to speak to...
All right. Yeah, give me just a moment. I can transfer you over to him.
Thanks.
No problem.
Hello, this is...
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Good morning. My name is Patrick. I'm with a company called... Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Yeah, because we manufacture coated gloves. So we're an ingredient materials developer and glove manufacturer.
Okay. That's right.
Yes, it's pronounced. Yes.
Yeah, I'm familiar with the name, certainly.
Wonderful. Yeah, we manufacture coated gloves in our headquarters here, and we just developed a brand new coating material, and we're looking to partner with more distributors and suppliers that would carry our line.
So you actually manufacture in?
Yes, in our headquarters.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. You manufacture coated
gloves, safety work gloves. Yes.
So like
well, it's a glove. So would you be interested in reviewing our newest glove? It'll take a minute. I can tell you about it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So it's a glove similar to durability,
okay,
but with a tackier grip for better handling. And our glove features antibacterial fabric, a skin-safe coating, reinforced knit to prevent leakage, and it does have touchscreen compatibility.
Okay. So the shell of the glove is manufactured where? China?
No. Everything is manufactured
in
state. Yes.
Wow. Okay. That's the thing that's thrown me off. I mean, there's very few people still manufacturing gloves in the United States. So.
And everything. And I know that you're right where your corporate office is.
The corporate office now is in it, but yeah, our facilities in.
Okay. And so we can here state it can be retail ready and hand tagged with a 1-day ship lead time from our headquarters here to your location.
Okay.
And our gloves last on average 14,000 abrasion cycles versus 500 abrasion cycles from standard polyurethane coating.
Okay. And so which coating do your guys have?
And that's why I'm glad you asked. And then first off, what brand of coated gloves do you guys currently carry?
We have our own brand called.
Okay. Great. So you have your own brand. All right, great. So in terms of like coating and all that, and we can get into like ANSI cut level and stuff, what we do is that I was calling to see, I mean, we want to send you over some free samples. Would you be open to doing would you be open to doing a quick Zoom call with my operations manager, to answer some of these questions, and then after the call he can provide you some free samples?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So what day would be better? Tomorrow or Thursday? What day is okay for you? In the afternoon, early afternoon?
Eastern time. Let me look at my calendar.
So tomorrow, like 1:30, 2:30, and then same kind of times on Thursday?
Yeah, 1:30 Eastern tomorrow is fine.
Okay, so it's 1:30 on the 30th. And then your last name is correct?
That's correct.
Your email, because we're going to send you a link and a calendar invite?
Okay, it's
okay.
at .com.
.com, and then so it's and then just so I know, how do you spell? Okay. And what is your title with the company?
I'm a VP of Hand Protection.
VP of Hand Protection, and then they told me, so right now you guys have your own brand. How much volume do you currently see from your, would you say, and annually?
Oh wow, I'm not even sure. I'd have to look that up. But if I had to guess, I'm saying a couple 100,000 pair currently.
Couple 100,000 pair. Okay. And then of course you're looking to distribute the gloves. Okay. All right, great. So you're going to receive a calendar invite and a link for a Zoom call for tomorrow at 1:30.
Okay, that sounds great. I appreciate it.
We look forward to it. Have a great rest of the day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you.